Hello, this video will show you how to find shipments and tracking information for those shipments. You'll want to log into the Learning Coach or Parent account, find your name in the upper right-hand corner, go to My Info. You'll find a list of your students. If you have more than one student, you will see each of them listed. You'll click on your student's name. And then you will find some tabs across the top. You'll want to click on orders to find any shipments that are related to materials or supplies for courses. And then if you are eligible for laptop or computer equipment coming from K-12, you would click on hardware. Now, if you are eligible for the computer or laptop, you would see a list of those shipments. You will see their tracking number, and you'll click on the tracking number to be able to get tracking information. And same for the like of the orders for materials. If you had any orders, you would be able to click on that order number and track the package. Now, you can also take a look back to find old orders or to find out different information about those orders by clicking on recent orders and the drop down and choosing which area you want to take a look at. If you have more than one student, you would just come back to Overview and then choose the other student that you are looking into, and again go through the same process to find any shipment and tracking information.